Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. I heard a story which was worth sharing here. There was a king in a country who wanted to celebrate his birthday in a very auspicious way. He wanted the participation of all the citizens, and as a part of the celebrations with all religious fervor and gaiety, the queen wanted to make a bath of the king with pure milk. To get so much of milk, where to go? An announcement was made. Every person in the state has to bring one pot of milk and pour in a big vessel which is kept outside the palace. The big vessel was covered and everybody has to come with one pot of milk and pour it into the vessel. There was a stingy person in the state who had a very good advisor in his wife, who is also double the stingy person. They marked out a plan and both of them discussed that we will pour one pot of water. Since everybody is going to contribute milk, our contribution of water will be mixed with the milk and nobody can find out. So they went there and poured a pot of water. So around the bathing time, the king wanted to get the milk in the big vessel. When it was opened, only water was there, no milk was there. Because in that country, every individual were so miser. They did not want to contribute. The king himself was so, because he could have arranged the milk from himself rather than getting it through the contribution of every individual. Contrary to this, very recently, I come across a story. A person walks on the road. On the sideways, there is a tree in which a paper is hanging. He went near the paper and read what is written on the paper. The paper was conveying a message. The letter was written by an old lady. She had written, I have lost 50 rupees in this area. I am very poor. I am very old. My daily expenditures I will have to manage the next few days only with this money. So whoever finds this money, please reach it to my house. My house is nearby, walkable distance. She gave the directions. This person saw the letter. He had pity on that lady. He took 50 rupees of his own money and walked to the direction where this old lady's house was there. On inquiring, somebody has shown a house which was just by one rain, the house could collapse. Such was the dilapidated condition of the house. The old lady was sitting in a corner. This man went there and gave 50 rupees note to her. She came out and advised this person that I did not write a note in that way and I did not paste anything on the tree at all. I am poor. My house has been damaged. I need money for constructing the house. I am starving, no doubt, but I did not write that letter. Like you, there were more than 12 people have come here and gave me money. At least I am sending words through everybody. Please go and remove that paper wherever it is, so that nobody comes and gives me money. I am happy with whatever I am having. I am contented with whatever I am having. This person says yes and goes to the tree, but he doesn't want to remove the paper. In the meanwhile, another person walks there and gives this person, sir, I found 550 rupees somewhere here, and this lady's house, I do not know where it is. If you guide me, I can go and give it. This person asks him, is it your money or that old lady's money? He says, no, sir, I found on the road. I wanted to give back to that lady. Look at these incidents. Everybody who wanted to help that lady in one or other way, finding some excuse, wanted to insert their 50 rupees into the pocket of that lady. Contrary to this, with all these facts, people do not rise to the occasion. People want message from Mahavatar Babaji, but when Mahavatar Babaji gives a message, they do not want to follow. Their life becomes important for them than others' life. When I forget to think that myself and you are the same, I separate myself with you, then the ego takes its place. Let us understand this one. Last week, Mahavatar Babaji gave a call to help the poor who are suffering. Although in our various groups we have 320 members, see the response of the people who came forward to help the poor. In our video, I have made it very clear. Let us not take any excuse. I am in a gated community. I have already given through the community. My salary was deducted. We are not able to come out. I have already contributed to the PM's fund. I have already contributed to the CM's fund. The local NGO has collected funds. I have contributed. Don't take any excuse. This is a direct call to you, and at least for one family, please contribute. This was the message from Mahavatar Babaji. Around 1800 subscribers see the video, seek for Mahavatar Babaji's message. 300 plus members in various groups exchange various videos. Many people send how to help the beggars on the road, how charity is made by others, how food is being served by this society, that society. We are good at forwarding all these messages, but what we do in our life is more important than forwarding. The WhatsApp group shall not be used for forwarding these messages. Please understand. We are not rising to the occasion. We are not rising to the need of the hunger. Unless we give, somebody's hunger is not going to come down, is a painful affair. Somebody is depending on us. The money is with us. Some money, some corner in the house should be there with us. But we fail to take it and give it to others. We are not interested. We think somebody has contributed. What is my contribution to do? Some people sarcastically tell, sir, what right hand gives, left hand should not know, sir. I don't quote anywhere what I have done. I have already done. You have already done. How you set an example for others? Until you show your face, how to know who you are? Not spiritual who you are, I am asking. If you are in the material society, giving some help to somebody, somebody has to see you loving a child, loving sister, loving brother, loving mother, loving wife is not sufficient. You let also express that you are loving them. There only it gets fulfilled. Whereas an appeal was made from Babaji Sannidhan. What is? Except a handful of people, very small group of people who are very genuine, I feel. Many people did not even bother to respond. Some people gave some excuse. Some people escaped. But some people definitely went out of their way to help. Notwithstanding all these facts, this video shows what are all we have been able to gather from various people from the same groups, various people from outside the group, what we purchased and how many families were fulfilling their stomach, fulfilling their hunger, how many people were sending their blessings to the nature for getting this kind of help through Mahavatar Babaji is a witness. It is a lesson for others. This group, this video, this YouTube video, this channel, these WhatsApp groups are made or set up not for forwarding messages, not for exchanging unwanted messages, not for sending good morning, good evening, good night messages, not for showing who I am, what is my kirti, what is my fame, what is my name, what is my designation, what was my designation, what was my authority. It is not for that. Let us introspect and do something very productively. Unless our hand goes out to give something, nothing will come to us. Our eyes will not be opened. Let us know that this group, we need quality members, not quantity members. Some inactive members in our WhatsApp group are not needed. You have come to this group. We have made this group to not to accumulate anything. We have come to this group. We are part of this group to attain nirvana, to give whatever we have, to share whatever we have. I am not telling whatever we have, everything we will have to share. Not with that kind of calculation I am telling. Whenever people are in problem, it becomes our first and foremost duty to share at least 10%, 5%, 2%, 1%, at least for the food. The entire country, there are people in and around, they are starving. We should know, when we close the eye, we should know what is hunger. The person who are not giving probably or surely do not know what hunger is. That is the reason they do not go. The persons who have contributed, who have helped money-wise, material-wise, and shared the information, all those people definitely will know the value of hunger, the feeling of hunger, the pain of hunger. Others probably may not know what hunger is. 37 people have contributed in cash, of which we have used 9,250 rupees given as Guru Dakshina during the recent cave tour. Myself and my family 85,500 rupees. Dr. Jayesh from USA Phoenix 38,240. Sujata Salvi from USA, she has paid 15,200. Ashwani Kumar Sethi from Dubai and Mumbai 11,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees from Ushana Paya and 10,000 rupees from Aruna Dolori and family from USA. P. Sridhar given 5,000 rupees, and again from UK, Vittal Giboza also has paid 5,000 rupees. These are the major amounts we have received. In altogether, 37 people have contributed 2,31,000. We have made a donation of 25,000 rupees to the Prime Minister Relief Fund on coronavirus, 10,000 rupees to the Karnataka Chief Minister's Fund for the similar purpose. William, one poor family who works with Babaji Sannidhan, has been sent on 2 months leave, but his salary has been paid. In addition to his salary, what we pay, we have paid some extra amount to tide over his expenditure because his son is not working, his daughter is not working. Taking this into consideration, we have paid for 2 months 9,000 rupees. Yes, servant lady who comes near our house, she has been paid 4,500 rupees. There were 2 cooks who were serving us during 2 of our cave tours to Babaji. Both of them we have paid 2,500 rupees. The recent tour driver Anirudh and Kishan Singh was taken care of our well-being as a tour guide during the 2019 tour, called us. Both of these persons were virtually crying. We made an appeal to the members of our group and we requested them to send the money directly to them. Those money has been taken as a receipt and shown as an expenditure. So both of them got 10,000 rupees each. These are the cash distribution we have made. In addition to that one, we have purchased 158 bundles of food grains, which helps 158 families. Apart from this, we have been paying 100 rupees per each of the bag we are giving to the poor family. These are the expenditure. All expenditure put together, it comes to little more than what we have collected. Now the expenditure still it is going on. because one poor person goes and tells the other poor person. As a result, today also we have purchased 10 bags for 10,000 rupees. Those expenditure has not come in this because now we have started bearing all those expenditure from our family only. All the money received has been spent and we do not have any balance. Apart from this, 48 members from outside, as per the request of the YouTube, 48 members have contributed from their end only to almost 237 families. Food grains have been distributed by these 48 members. So altogether, almost we have helped 400 families, and in about 10 to 15 days, maybe another 100 members may come. We have already purchased 10 bags of food grain today, which is not accounted here. Still more requests are being pouring in. When people come near our gate and cry, having known that we have given food grains, they say we have not received anything. The poor condition, without proper dress, proper cleansing, proper no oiling to their head, etc. Looking at them, we feel very disturbed. So we have been getting message from Babaji to somehow help. So we have decided to spend from our own pocket as far as possible. This is what the status as of today. Out of this 237 families being helped, I will have to record here few persons. Sri V.K. Basi is 80-year-old person from Panchila enclave in New Delhi. He was very active. Sri Basi called me after seeing one of the videos in which distress remedies were prescribed. Ever since he came in contact with me, he was showing a lot of interest in helping the people. In every step he used to call me and he used to say how he is going ahead in arranging financial support, distribution of food grains, distributed masks, gloves, etc. for the street cleaning staff. And he also, besides this, based on my prescription, he purchased himself many medicines in homeopathy shop and has made packets and distributed to various families. So the services of Sri V.K. Basi, who is already 80 plus years from Delhi, it is very commendable. Another of our friend, Sri Gangadhar Upin, is a senior person in a corporate company. He is one of our YouTube viewer. Besides this, he is our long associate friend as well as he is a member of one of the prestigious group. He had also visited with us to Babaji cave. When he went and announced in his company, all the staff members voluntarily came and helped with their contribution, and with the efforts of Gangadhar Upin and his son Karan Upin, 65 families have been helped. Sri Manohar Ganapatrao Chalpe from Nagpur has helped a group of Kinner family in Nagpur. Sri K. Sudarshan from Bangalore has helped 16 families and a spiritual soul, a senior citizen who had come from Varanasi, was stranded in Bangalore. He has searched and he got news and he sent his special representatives to go there and help them. Shri Ashwani Kumar Sethi, Shri Ushan Appaya, Srimati Aruna Davluri and family, all these people have helped 10,000 each of them. With their contribution, at least 30 families have been helped. Thank you. The persons who have contributed, who have helped money-wise, material-wise and shared the information, all those people definitely will know the value of hunger, the feeling of hunger, the pain of hunger. Others probably may not know what hunger is. Do not experience hunger. Before you experience hunger, let your hand, let your heart open, let your hand go into the purse, open it and do some service. I should hear some good news from rest of the members, and that only will give befitting tribute to Mahavatar Babaji, for which this channel has been opened, for which these WhatsApp groups are set up. Thank you. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.